In this video, we are going to change a pivot table field from being a sum to being an average. I have a pivot table which is based on the sums of the sales by salesperson and date. And what I would like instead is to show the average. There are two ways to access the setting that we need to do that. The first way is I can just click on the pivot table itself and then right-click on any of the fields that I want to change and choose Value Field Settings. The second option is when I click on the pivot table, I see my pivot table wizard off on the right side, and I can go to the Values box in the wizard, and I can click on the field that I want and then choose Value Field Settings. Both approaches should take you to the same place, which is right here. And once I'm here, all I have to do is change from sum to average. And then I can click OK. In addition, let's go ahead and format these because the number formatting doesn't look great. Some of them have repeating decimals. To do that, again, I want to go back to the value field settings. So here I'm clicking on the cell itself, value field settings, and we want to change the formatting for this value field. I'm going to choose number format. I'm going to choose number and then 1 decimal place or 2 decimal places or no decimal places. And then we can say OK. And then we can say OK. And that will give us a consistent format. If you wanted commas or dollar signs, again, the same thing. We can right click, value field settings, number format. This time I'm going to choose the currency number field format. That'll give me dollar signs and commas. And let's give it 2 decimal places and then say OK. And then I finish by saying OK, and now they're updated